Best Comprehensive Car Insurance NZ 2026. Compare and save. Compare NZ's best comprehensive car insurance for 2026. Save $500 plus with leading insurers like Cove, Tower, AMP, and others. Get quotes, tips, and insights from our expert guide. We compared 7 popular cars across 7 insurers. The price differences were shocking. Our 2026 nationwide pricing audit revealed massive variation, with some insurers quoting almost double the price for identical vehicles and driver profiles. This guide shows who charges what and how to lock in the best deal in 10 minutes. We compared insurance quotes from AMI, AA Insurance, AMP, Cove, State Insurance, Trade Me Insurance, and Tower Insurance. Most car insurers don't provide online quotes. Our car insurers directory lists all 35+ companies offering policies. We looked at quotes for owners of a Toyota Aqua, Toyota Corolla, Toyota Hilux, Mazda 2 and Demio, Nissan Navara, Ford Ranger, and Subaru Legacy. What you pay for car insurance will vary by model and driver specs. Those who spend 10-15 minutes pricing trusted insurers online can most likely find a deal among the providers and save a significant amount. Comprehensive car insurance is almost always more expensive than third-party car insurance and is a popular choice for a vehicle worth more than $5,000. However, before deciding whether to select comprehensive or third-party, ask yourself, would I have enough money to replace my car if it was in an accident? If you wouldn't, then a comprehensive policy may be a sensible choice. The cost of insuring a car in New Zealand continues to climb well above inflation per our ongoing average insurance cost research. In this guide, we explain the basic principles of car insurance and outline several tips to keep your policy costs down year after year. New Zealand does not require car owners to have car insurance by law. Our view is that not having at least third-party car cover is a risk that could severely affect you financially if you cause an accident. Important, every driver has different circumstances, so we have not exhaustively tested a range of cars, drivers, and location profiles. Instead, we have compiled the quotes and policy information to raise awareness of the difference in prices and why it's essential to shop around and avoid auto-renewing without challenging the price first. What our 2026 model comparison taught us about insurance costs, key findings, and what you need to know. We requested and analyzed quotes from 7 leading insurers for popular cars, including the Toyota Aqua, Toyota Corolla, Toyota Hilux, Mazda 2 and Demio, Nissan Navara, Ford Ranger, and Subaru Legacy. The results of our research were clear. 1. Cove Insurance, a trusted, quiet achiever, was repeatedly the cheapest across all 7 models and the lowest average-priced insurer in 5 of 7 cases, often by a margin of $150 to $300 plus compared to the second cheapest quote obtained. For price-savvy drivers looking for full cover without cutting corners, Cove emerged as a reliable option. Furthermore, Cove offers a free month of cover worth up to $100, multi-policy discounts of up to 10% if you insure more than one car, and an annual discount of up to 10% if you pay for a year of cover in advance. 2. Trade Me, Tower, and AA. High variability, sometimes pricier. Trade Me insurance was competitive for the Corolla, but significantly more expensive for the Aqua and Hilux. Tower offered competitive premiums for the Legacy and Navara, but was also among the top 3 most expensive for Aquas and Rangers. AA insurance remained middle of the road in most cases, not the cheapest, not the most expensive. 3. AMI and State. Big brand, big bill. AMI consistently charged higher premiums, averaging over $20-50 for the Aqua and Hilux and more than $1,300 for the Demio. State insurance followed a similar trend, with only marginal savings compared to AMI, often within $20 to $40. These larger insurers may offer extensive features, but their premiums suggest you're paying for the name as much as the cover. 4. Toyota Corolla, most affordable to insure. Despite being a top theft risk, the Corolla was the cheapest to comprehensively insure, averaging just $12.16, thanks to relatively lower replacement costs and perceived reliability. 5. Mazda 2 and Demio, cheap wheels with a catch. The Mazda Demio had relatively low premiums, averaging $12.65, but many insurers apply a theft excess unless the car is fitted with an alarm. Demio owners should double-check policy conditions to avoid a $1,000 plus surprise at claim time. 6. Toyota Aqua, the hybrid that costs a lot to insure. While eco-friendly, the Toyota Aqua is the most expensive car to insure among the 7, with an average premium of $18.51, mainly due to theft risk and replacement cost. Alarm systems and immobilizers are crucial for reducing premiums. 7. Urban drivers beware. Aucklanders pay more. No matter the model, premiums in Auckland suburbs like Takapuna, Manger, and Henderson were 20 to 35% higher than those in Dunedin or Hamilton. Risk-based pricing is alive and well in 2026. Location still dictates a big part of the premium. Compare car insurance quotes with our top 2 insurers, Cove and Tower. Our comprehensive research has identified Tower Insurance and Cove Insurance as leading options in car insurance based on price and policy cover.
Cove was cheapest in 5 of 7 models where savings were significant. Important. Cove saves you with a free month of cover, up to $100, plus up to 10% off for multiple cars and up to 10% off for annual payments. Tower offers discounts, including excess-free key replacement. Money Hub founder Christopher Walsh shares his views on car insurance. If you're switching or buying insurance for a new car insurers have never been keener to bring you over as a client. This is why it's important to compare as much as possible. I believe there are 4 key points to be made about car insurance to help you understand the quotes you'll receive. Our research proves that where you live is a major factor in what you'll pay. Policies for the same car in Auckland can cost twice as much as those in the regions. If you live in an area known for bendy roads, you might pay even more. It's essential to shop around, as some insurers don't discriminate, and their quotes will save you money. Don't fall for the market value trap. Right now, your car may be worth $10,000, so you'll insure it for market value, but in 3 years, it will probably be worth $6,000, yet the price of your policy probably won't drop. To avoid this, compare every year to get the best deal. Our car insurance calculator outlines 3 must-know steps. Paying for car insurance annually instead of monthly is always cheaper, sometimes by as much as 15% according to our survey. Claiming is an easy process, but hundreds of people lodge complaints every year about their claims being declined. To reduce the chance of this happening, it's essential to read and understand your policy. You will then know what you are and aren't covered for. Ask the insurer if you're not sure of what's covered. Whoever you insure with, please read the policy carefully and know what you're not covered for. Unfortunately, too many New Zealanders have claims rejected because they don't understand their policy's limitations. We have further useful guides to help you save and get the best car insurance. Do you want to know your car's current valuation? Our free car valuations tool gives instant results. Do you want to compare policies by benefits? Our AMI, AA Insurance, AMP, Cove, State, Tower, and Trade Me Insurance review has all the details. Are you considering a third-party policy? This guide is not for you. Our third-party car insurance comparison explains when you need to know. Do you want to save money on your policy? Our How to Get Cheaper Car Insurance Guide as you covered. Are you considering adjusting your car insurance excess? Our Car Insurance Excess Cost Guide explains what's important and what it costs.